The 10 new pence coin from 1970 holds historical significance and value to collectors. In 1968, the UK government decided to decimalize its currency system, transitioning from the pound to the decimal pound, p. The introduction of the 10 new pence coin in 1970 was part of this decimalization process, replacing the shilling in the pre-decimal currency system. The obverse side of the 10 new pence coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This portrait, used on various denominations of British coins, is one of the most widely recognized depictions of the Queen. On the reverse side, the 10 new pence coin initially featured a heraldic lion passant, which is a symbol commonly associated with the UK. However, this design was soon replaced with a more intricate and symbolic design, the wreath design by Christopher Ironside. This change occurred due to concerns that the original design too closely resembled the English coat of arms and might be confused with the £1 coin. The 10 new pence coin circulated alongside the pre-decimal coins until 1982 when it was demonetized. Despite no longer being legal tender, these coins continue to hold value among collectors due to their historical significance and limited availability. When assessing the value of a 10 new pence coin from 1970, several factors come into play. These include the coin's condition, rarity, demand among collectors, and any special characteristics or errors. Coins in uncirculated condition, meaning they have never been used as currency and exhibit minimal wear, typically command higher prices. The rarity of the coin also influences its value. While millions of 10 new pence coins were minted in 1970, certain factors, such as errors in the minting process or limited production runs, can make specific coins rarer and therefore more valuable. Demand among collectors is another key factor. Some collectors may be interested in acquiring a complete set of decimal coins, including the 10 new pence coin, while others may focus on coins from specific years or with particular designs. Coins with unique characteristics or historical significance often attract more interest from collectors. In recent years, the value of many collectible coins, including the 10 new pence coin from 1970, has increased due to growing interest in coin collecting as a hobby and investment. Online marketplaces and auction sites provide a platform for collectors to buy and sell coins, with prices reflecting the rarity and demand for specific coins. Overall, the 10 new pence coin from 1970 holds both historical significance and value to collectors. Its role in the decimalization of the UK currency system, along with its distinctive design and limited availability, make it a sought-after item among numismatists. Whether you're a seasoned collector or someone looking to explore the world of coin collecting, the 10 new pence coin from 1970 offers a fascinating glimpse into British monetary history. A 10 new pence coin from 1970 may not have significant monetary value today unless it's part of a rare or collectible series. In terms of its face value, it's no longer in circulation since the UK transitioned to decimalization in 1971. However, its worth can vary based on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. In 1970, the 10 new pence coin was introduced as part of the British decimal coinage system. It replaced the old shilling coin, which was worth 12 pence in the pre-decimal currency system. The transition to decimalization aimed to simplify monetary transactions and align with international standards. Today, the value of a 10 new pence coin from 1970 depends on various factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. If the coin is in mint condition and part of a limited production run or a special edition, it could be worth more than its face value to collectors. However, if it's a common coin in circulated condition, its value might be closer to its face value or slightly higher due to its historical significance. To determine the exact value of a specific coin, it's best to consult numismatic resources or reach out to coin collectors and experts who can assess its worth based on its unique characteristics. Additionally, online marketplaces and auction sites often provide insights into the current market value of coins similar to the 10 new pence from 1970. Overall, While a 10 new pence coin from 1970 may not have a high monetary value in terms of today's currency, its historical significance and potential collectible value make it an interesting piece for numismatists and collectors.